What all dishes you're going to introduce us for today's show?
It's like makhani chicken keema. It's our signature dish.
Okay.
It's my dish. I brought on come here, and it's like paneer
Butter momo.
butter momos.
Momos.
Butter chicken momos.
Okay.
And nutri keema and cold coffee
For me.
for me.
Alright, so Shitesh and Kivada cold coffee. Thanks for the cold coffee, man.
Yeah.
It tastes so yummy.
Thank you so much.
So first, we will make the butter chicken momos. So we're gonna make butter chicken momos first, right? Alright, so let's look into it. Come on. Actually, a secret recipe. This is your secret recipe, no?
Yeah. So, secret is my gravy.
Oh, your gravy.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm talking?
No.
And so basically, I was telling.
Something. Little bit.
Then tell me, what did you understand? So basically, I told I'm drinking the cold coffee which you made, and I'm watching you cooking, and again I'm gonna eat what you cook.
Oh, so nice.
You fry the momos, right? Yeah. So
for crispy.
For crispiness. Okay. So our crispiness in vendite momos fry cheyidu annittu ipo aa gravy kathottu add cheyidu kodutittunde. Okay, appo ithre ullu parivadi gravy kathottu fried aayittulla momos ittittu അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും രണ്ട് ഇളക്കി സംഭവം റെഡി ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ബട്ടർ ചിക്കൻ മോമോസ് റെഡി. I'll taste. Okay. So first, butter chicken momos. Now with butter and the flavor, I can really get that taste of your gravy.
Yeah. It's the flavor of spices, Indian spices.
Exactly. Our Indian
We call in Punjabi khade masale.
Khade masale.
Khade masale.
Oh, okay. Our Punjabi spices and our Indian spices in a combination channel to the momo. So it's an Indo-Western kind of dish.
Indian Chinese.
Yeah.
Indian Chinese cuisine.
ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ്റെയും ചൈനീസിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ ഫ്യൂഷൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിഷാണ് ബട്ടർ ചിക്കൻ മോമോസ്, ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ മസ്റ്റ് ട്രൈ ഐറ്റം. ഐ റിയലി ലവ്ഡ് ഇറ്റ്.